Hi, good morning everyone. I came to Darpan Mangatrai. This is the pearl store. It's available in Hyderabad, and few of my colleagues suggested me this is a very good shop, and then go and then buy for your Diwali purchase. And a few of my relatives also interested in looking into the pearls, and this is my first time experience in buying a pearls. And once I come to the shop, I admired like Vajpayee visited this house. Many of the cricket team members, England cricket team members, visited this house. Just give me a second. And I seen through all the photographs. Many of the VIPs, many of the star cricket players, everybody visited this store, and really, and then the madam was helpful to me to taking the right pearl necklace for me. This is awesome. Please come to this shop, visit this shop. At least have a look on all the varieties of pearls. You will get to know, what is the pearls and how they are making the pearls, where is the pearls comes. All this information you will come to know. Madam explaining me the history of how they are making the pearls. And this shop is more than 100 years old shop. Is it right, madam?
Yes, this is 1905 shop. This is a 120 years.
120 years old shop, and then start from the Nizam rule. This shop was very famous, and then please come and then visit this shop, and then buy your pearls. That's all.